Are you operating a high-pressure plant? Coping with daily maintenance, routine component changeouts, upgrades, and unplanned events can make or break an operation over the long run. Wouldn't it be good to have an experienced partner at your side who can help to meet with your challenges? Hi, my name is Philipp Teucher, and I am the Field and Factory Service Manager at Uhde High Pressure Technologies. Focused on high-pressure services, we offer comprehensive solutions for servicing our customers along the entire plant line. This includes regular maintenance and inspections, training courses, repair works and the replacement of individual components, or even a complete turnaround. Thus, we contribute to the safeguarding of continuous productivity and minimize downtime. With our bedrock of experience, we can help to fulfill all service activities on your side from the earliest stage of operation. Our global, highly efficient service teams are specialized to your equipment, familiar with industry-wide safety protocols, and have the necessary on-site experience. Thus, we are able to deliver parts and services sometimes even before you know you need it. If you want to know how we can boost your operation, please contact me. Thanks for watching. We are your partners in high pressure.